Four-year colleges are great, but if a traditional classroom setting isn't for you, consider continuing your education with the United Association. The UA offers a unique Earn While You Learn apprenticeship program, giving you the opportunity to earn college credits and benefits while in the field with the best skilled labor workers of the industry. The UA will pave the way for your personal and professional growth. Starting as an apprentice, you could become a foreman, then progress into a superintendent role, and even advance to a business manager, project manager, or company owner. At the UA, you can pick from many different types of skilled trades. Experts estimate the demand for skilled labor positions will increase to over 800,000 jobs in the next 10 years. We need people like you to fill these new positions. Are you ready to start your career today? Labor built this country. Use it to build your career. Earn and learn with the United Association.